Who said you cannot use Google Slide on your phone? Just download Google Slide from Play Store and open it right here. Your email will be automatically signed in and all the slides you have before will be showing. So click on the plus icon here and create a new presentation. So here it will take you to a blank page, and all you have to do is to click the side plus sign to see all your slides. So you double tap on the text box, and when you double tap, you'll be able to insert your title there. So my own title would be My Plan After School. Okay. I'll double tap on the subtitle as well and write maybe My Journey to Adulthood, and voila. That is my first slide. Let's add some more slides to the slide. So this is me clicking the one that suits what I want to write next, and I want to write about after examination. What am I going to do? What are my plans after examination? So then I can double tap again on the second text box and write what my plan is. I can still add more slides by clicking the same thing I clicked the other time and open another one. So this is another. So let's just do some text decoration. So we can change it to any color. We can make it transparent. We can turn the color to anyone that suits our taste or based on the type of presentation we are working on. So apart from that, we can also check for templates by clicking that icon. You can change to any template. So I'm going to pick this purple template, and you see it has already applied the theme to my presentation. So then it's not looking good again because I have black color for the text box. So I'm going to change that now to something that looks much more appealing to the eye. I think it's just more like going back to what it was before, but I do love it this way. So I can as well change the alphabet, the color of the text itself. So let me just change the color of the text to purple, and this is My Journey into Adulthood. Let me change the background to purple as well, and change the text to white so that it will be visible. Yes, so it works this way. So you see that the same icon we have on Google Docs to change text, to change background, those are the same thing that we have here. So if I want to insert any shape, you see how many shapes I have here that I can add. So I just go for circle, reshape it, then change the color again. To change the color is still the same icon. So once you know this particular icon that okay, this is for changing the color, then you will know how to change the border design, increase the weight, change the border style, and okay, I think it's cool this way. It really looks nice. So if you need to insert lines and either straight line or curve or anything, basic line, herbal line, you can use the curve line to reshape it to whatever you need it for. But this time I really do not need any of these lines, so I rather just delete them. But in case you need it, you can use it anyhow you want to. So I'm deleting them now. I want to insert a table. That is a table icon. Just like how we did yesterday, I can just insert the table. But before I insert the table, I will have to delete all these ones so that my table will not be staying in an unsafe place. So yeah, here is my table in here. I can increase the size and I can start clicking inside each of these boxes. I'm done and I want to add another slide. So you see, I have my slide in that new template that I have included, that new theme. So that means any other slide I'm adding, I can easily add it. But let's do a mini presentation here. So this is my first time using slides on my phone, and that is why it's giving me all these notifications. But I want to quickly present on my phone and see how it is. So I can present on my phone. I just click the next button and it will move it to the next page, and that is how I can present. So I can be sharing my screen on Google Meet, and yeah, I'm presenting on my from my phone. So let's have some pictures. You see that picture icon? That is, yeah, it takes us to the gallery, just like how we did for Google Docs. So you just have to master Google Docs and you can easily walk around uh other Google products. So let me just crop. You see the crop icon. We all know the crop icon that we use on our phone is still the same. So I'm cropping this particular picture. This is not my picture. I just saw the star on I think on Facebook, and yeah, so we can adjust. You see that red line is the alignment line, and it's showing us where to place it so that it will look perfect. So you see, I'm following what the red line is telling me to do, and because I'm following it, I have a good I have my picture placed well. So back to the table, there isn't anything we want to do, but we can still change our we can still change our theme. I said I want to go for this beach day. I've applied it. You see, it has changed again from the purple to the blue. I think this looks better. I love it. All right, so this looks more better than what we had before, but let's imagine it was a mistake. Then I can click on the undo icon and it will take me back to where I was before. So let's stay with this purple. Yeah, let's stay with the purple. My document is not yet renamed. If you can see it here on title presentation, I can name it right here. But before then, let's try and share. So you already know how this share thing works. Just insert the email of the person you want to share it with, or you just open it for everyone, anyone with the link. Then you copy. That's like a general access, so you make every one of them viewers, and you copy the link. Then you can send it to them on maybe their DMs. So that is how you can share access. If you want to add someone's email, you can just write the email straight away and change their role. You can make them viewer, commenter, or editor. Then you click this send icon there and it will share it with the person, but I don't want to. So let's go back. Let's say I mistakenly exit. What will happen? My document will be saved automatically. So even from here, I can do what? I can rename it. So I just click the more button, then I click on rename, and you see adulthood plan. It's showing right here. In fact, my other document that was not named is also showing. So I can take my time to this is a template. Actually, it's a template and I can work on it. I was already working on it in the class, but I can still work on it right here on my phone. I was doing it on my laptop before and it's showing on my phone. So let's say my laptop died and I want to continue, I can still continue working on it. So let's say I want to change picture, I want to do anything to the picture. So I can replace the picture. So then it will take me to my gallery and you see I've easily inserted another picture into the frame. Then you see, let's try it again. Let's use this Children's Day's picture and you see how it works now. Great. So apart from that, I can still change the details there. You see the full name and the title. Once I use my two hands to zoom in, I can as well auto rotate to make sure that I'm seeing things right. So because the phone screen is a little bit smaller, so I can just do auto rotate and rotate it, and this will make me to see it much more bigger, and yeah, I can start editing. So it's either I zoom it in or I auto rotate to make things works the way I want it to. The document is still untitled, so I can just click on that untitled presentation up there and I'll just rename it to my business plan, and here it is. Now I have it named just like every other ones, and I can try and do what? Present it. But before then, you see all those all those details where I can edit the alphabet, the way the letter is written, the text is written. I can do a whole lot of things right here. So, but let's just leave that aside because we don't really want to do much work on this template. Templates are easy to use, but you have to make it align with what you want to write, your thoughts and everything, so you don't have to start from scratch every time. And that is why template is much more advisable to use. Let's try and play these in a presentation. If I want to present it in a meeting, I can just click on the meeting link and paste it there, but I just want to present it on my phone, not on the meeting. So you see the title is showing, the page I am is showing, and I can just click the next button to move to the next pages. So that's how it is on mobile. And remember, I'm still on auto rotation, so but my mom is calling. Let me stop right here. Thank you.